Welcome back. In this video, we'll give you simple examples of how ERP connects different departments in real business scenarios. Examples of how ERP integrates different business functions. Sales and inventory. When a sales team closes a deal, the ERP automatically updates inventory levels, allowing the warehouse to immediately begin fulfillment and providing accurate delivery timelines to the customer. Sales and finance. Sales data is automatically transferred to the finance department to generate invoices and track receivables, streamlining the billing process. Purchasing and inventory. When inventory levels drop below a set threshold, the ERP system automatically generates purchase orders to replenish stock, ensuring sufficient inventory on hand. Production and supply chain. Manufacturing teams can access real-time data on raw material availability through the ERP, allowing them to optimize production schedules and manage potential supply chain disruptions. HR and payroll. Employee data from the HR system is automatically integrated into the payroll system, ensuring accurate salary calculations and tax deductions. Customer service and order management. When a customer contacts customer service with an inquiry about their order, the representative can access the order status and relevant details within the ERP system in real time. Connecting with CRM systems, sharing customer data between the ERP and CRM systems for a unified view of customer interactions. Hope the examples made things clearer. Keep watching. We'll also talk about challenges next.